Hi, Lori here with a quick overview of analytics in marketing. First of all, let's talk about how we can use analytics to help us analyze or understand how well our marketing plan is working. What parts of our plan are working? Which consumers are buying? Which promotions are working best? Do we have any ads that are working better than others? Where are they placed? What's happening there? What web pages are working best for us? Are there web ads that are working better for various customers? And can we segregate them or identify which customers are most likely to respond to which type of ads? Are we spending our money optimally? Do we have the right marketing mix? Do we have the right media plan? All of these things can be answered via analytics. The next question we ask is, how can we use analytics to help us better understand our customers? Well, we can certainly identify our current key customers through descriptive analytics, and we can also identify potential key customers who are within our customer groups already but have not fully developed. We can find a way to prospect for new customers, and we can segment our customer population to allow specific target marketing. One of the most important areas that companies use analytics for is to identify customer wants and needs. This can lead to identifying potential product improvements in the current products that you offer, as well as new product development. And a lot of companies like Apple use analysis of customer wants and needs to help them figure out what the next big thing is going to be. Procter & Gamble does the same sort of thing with their consumer products. We can also analyze our customer behavior, and for those of you that have taken a marketing course before, you'll recognize RFM, which is recency, frequency, and monetary value. Also, clumpiness is a huge topic these days, and if you are a Netflix binge watcher, then you are subject to the clumpiness that has fascinated marketing professors and academics recently. We can also use analytics to understand customer lifetime value, or CLV, and of course this is the total amount of profit you would plan to make over the lifetime of the customer with you. And I want to point out that the lifetime does not mean until the customer dies. It means until the natural end of their relationship with you. So for example, at college or university, the CLV for a student would be 4 to 6 years. The CLV for an alumni would be until they die. You can do CLV analysis in Excel. We're not going to tackle that in this course, but there are plenty of resources to help you do that if you're interested in doing that, and it's pretty straightforward. We also need to focus on the web because the analytics is so important in the web. We've got 2 videos that are posted in the plan for week 5, and one of them is about SEO, or search engine optimization, and the other is about web analytics, and they've got some great ideas or big picture ideas for you in there, and I highly recommend them. And then finally, Google Analytics. If you're going to talk about the web, you have to talk about Google Analytics. And so we will be making a separate video taking you through some sort of a test drive through Google Analytics, and then you will have your own opportunity to drive your own test vehicle or your own mouse through Google Analytics and answer some questions in the Google Analytics quiz. So that's it for marketing analytics. There's plenty more, but we're focusing just on the ones that we think are most important for an IMC executive. Thanks for listening.